Good evening to Doctor and my friends. My name is Loyo Yi and I'm the representative of my group. Today, we would like to present language learning strategies, precisely in affective strategies. Affective strategies means ways to help the learners to control their emotions, attitudes, motivations, and values. It is stated by Oxford in 1990. There are three types of affective strategies. First of all is lowering anxiety, encouraging yourself, and take your emotional temperature. Lowering anxiety means you can do anything that makes you feel relaxed. Take a deep breath when you feel nervous or even to do meditation. Encouraging yourself is where you make positive statements and reward yourself when you perform well. Lastly, take your emotional temperature. You should be aware of your own feelings. You can write a diary to record your feelings and status and to talk your feelings with people whom you trust. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.